Pancakes, pancakes, pancakes. That flat cake, starch-based batter containing eggs, milk, and butter. Cooked on a hot surface, such as a griddle or frying pan with oil, is a delicious meal now eaten in every corner of the world, and even arguably the most liked food today. But this isn't a video to discuss the top 10 most eaten or most delicious food in the world. Rather, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 to learn how to make pancakes. Watching videos is said to be one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2022, however modest. Today, we're about to find out how to merely watch a video on how to make pancakes to earn money online. Step 1 is to play the video. Step 2, watch it for at least 60 seconds. And Step 3, cash out your earnings. It's that simple. This website is accessible from anywhere in the world, and it's completely free to use. Before we begin, let's have a quick exercise. Go ahead and please comment down below what country you're from, so I know to make videos in the future that would work for you. You can please type this out while the intro plays. About a year ago, Olivia was seated where you are right now on the other side of that screen. No skill, no job, no degree, just a phone in her hand, and then she realized that was all she needed. Fast forward to today, I'm going to be teaching you just how you too can easily make money online like Olivia, or should I say, make money Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you could be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. It's one thing to learn how to earn money online and another to start taking action. Go ahead and leave a like on this video so you can always come back to rewatch some of my exact steps when you begin your journey. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. First and foremost, I would like you to go to this website, ZoomBucks.com. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn money by simply completing surveys, watching TV, and doing offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we will concentrate on watching videos because it's something you already do every day, and it pays the highest amount of money for the least amount of effort. So go ahead and click on the Watching TV option. Let me explain to you how this website works. 1. Create a free account. 2. Select a channel that interests you. And 3. Start watching. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account. You may also keep an eye out for more earnings by switching between different channels, and finally exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's that easy, so make sure you watch this video all the way through to properly understand how this website works. As previously mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, click on the link in the description below to get onto their homepage. Enter your email address, create a password, and just click Sign Up Now. Now you might also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easier experience. Logging into my ZoomBucks account now, you can see how much I have made so far, up to 101,562 points. Clicking over here on gift cards and cash, you can see the various ways to cash out all the points you accumulated on ZoomBucks. Roblox, Rixty, Karma Coin, Minecraft gift cards, Steam Wallet, or PayPal. PayPal, for example, exchanges 10,300 points for $10 and up to 103,000 points for $100. And all these points were generated by simply watching videos. You too can begin to earn $100 to learn how to make pancakes. So as you see here, $5 on PayPal is just 5150 points. Here's a little trick. If you sign up with this link on the screen and confirm your account from the email, you would get your first 500 points, absolutely free. The link is in the description below. Click it to sign up and start earning tons of money on ZoomBucks right now. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. You can go ahead to click on Leaderboard down here to see people that have made anything from $100 to $260. And you could be the next. These individuals are all earning money on ZoomBucks by watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. The best part is there are a large number of videos available on the platform reset every day, which means that there is an endless opportunity for you to earn money here by just watching these videos over and over. To get started, click Watch on the left-hand side. After that, you'll see these boxes with linking to the websites Hideout.tv and Lootably. Hovering your cursor over them, you'll see their offer details. Next, select Lootably by clicking the Start button. You'll then be taken to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option of selecting from the categories of food, DIY, or random videos. On the right-hand side, you can see how many points you can earn in the respective categories. Now, since we're looking for how to earn $100 to learn how to make pancakes, I will select food. We would then be taken to this website where you'll need to sign up for a free account to proceed. To do so, enter your email address, create a password, and just click Sign Up. After creating a Ludibly account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. For example, if I just search for the term pancakes and click this one right here, I'll be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income and begin to earn up $100 to learn how to make pancakes, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. That way, you'll be able to watch a lot of videos, even while doing other things. Thus, you'll be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right-hand side. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings to save data. I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible. As a result, you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning as much money as possible as well. These bonus tips are quite effective, and you can use them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings in a single day on this website. Now that you know you can use ZoomBucks to earn $100 to learn how to make pancakes, I'd like to show you another way to make money with this site. This is by filling out surveys on the left-hand side of your ZoomBucks dashboard. You should see surveys, which you would click on. By doing so, you will be presented with a list of companies that offers you simple surveys to complete. Each survey will pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, and even go on as high as $5 to $10. Simply click on the company that offers you the most amount of money. Once selected, you can follow through with the same steps as on Loopable by simply creating a free account with the company of your choice, then begin taking as many surveys as you like. And that's it. How to earn $100 to learn how to make pancakes. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Olivia, I love you.